September the 11th, 2014, Pony-to-Go Horse Farm, home of the Full Moon Ranch. Feeding the goats some weeds. Let's see how crazy these goats go for these weeds here. Look at him go. Laying around on that one's back. Everybody's going to be following around. Come here. Come here. Oh, I caught our hooves. I didn't mean to do that. It's funny that it happened. Get it off of me. Get it off of me. I did not intend on that happening, but it did. It's pretty funny. Look at here. Look at this guy. Or guy, girl, I don't know what you are. I haven't examined you yet. There you go. There's some more. There you go. Wheelbarrow full of goodies. There you go, guys. And girls, just a little bit more here on the ground. Oh, it's getting hard for an old man to bend over. There you go. See if this black and white from here. Yep, there he goes. You gotta start charging everyone. Okay. Watch him go. He's gonna get jealous. Look, that one there's not even trying to eat and he's gonna go up and... Oh, that was like a love tap. This one over here, playing with his food. Oh, the little baby got kicked out of the circle. Look at the baby. She's just wandering around. Or he's just wandering around. Oh boy. I know it's a boy goat, but I named him Amber. Amber could be a boy's name. Huh. They're just animals. They're not going to know really what their names are. Huh. Come on. Alright. Enough of this video. Love you guys. The man behind the voice. Love y'all. Peace.